Today I'm going to show you how to use some basic functions of the Google Calendar. We'll start by going to calendar.google.com in our search engine, and it will take you to the Google Calendar. Let's say we want to make a school-related calendar. We'll hit the plus button, create a new calendar, and you can title it whatever you want. We're going to title it School, create new calendar, return. Here we can see that the school calendar is now orange. Let's say we have an English paper due on May 7th. We'll type in English paper due, and you can change the time that it's due. We'll say 3:30, and then you go down here and you change the color to school. Save, and there it is on your calendar. You can also do all-day events, such as school, which we'll go to all day. You change it to the school calendar, and you don't add a time. You hit save, and there it is as a solid bar. You can also create reoccurring events where you hit school, edit event, and change it to daily. Then on your calendar it will show that you go to school every day.